How's it going, Coaster Richard today? And I was at work and a big box arrived that Mika accepted. Mika, thank you. You're really good. Yeah, you're really good. Yes, so as you can see, Unitronic is behind the puppy dog, Miss Fluffy Ears here. Mika, should we see what's in it? Do you want to see what's in it? Are you sure? Okay. Wait. What was that? You like knives? Wait. Oh my. There's something pretty shiny in here. Let's put the knife in a safe position so the dog doesn't get it. I got a t-shirt! That's a pretty big box for a t-shirt, eh? I'll have to wear this when I install what's in this box. Pretty obvious probably what's in this box. Oh, hey. I found it. So I'll have to wear the t-shirt when I install this stage 3 plus badge. I'm actually only stage 2 plus, so get to lose one of those ones. Is that a nice badge? Is it stamp of approval? Yeah? Okay. Alright, Mika. I have a ball. Go get it. Perfect. Let's show you guys what actually came out. Look at this. Oh! There's more swag. I got a Unitronic sticker. I'm sure I can find use for that somewhere. Hey Mika, can I put this on your dog crate? Don't lick it because there's glue on there. And look, a keychain. Yeah, it's a keychain. And look, a lanyard. And look, it's got a quick disconnect. Should this be your new leash? Could I actually walk you on that? Here, come here. Where's your collar? You would walk on that though. I know you would. All right, let's see. Oh, look at that bad boy. Got a brand new Unitronic intercooler. Mika, does it make noise? Stamp of approval or snoot of approval? Look at this. Parts, Mika. Oh, this is what I love about Unitronic. Look at this quality. Does it pass? Yeah? Does it pass the snoot of approval? Snoot booping. So we got this. Got some new rubber hoses. Look at that. And this one. So we have one probably for the inlet and one for going to the charge pipe, just to bring them off. That is so cool. Loving it. And again, they give you the really nice Unitronic clamps here. Good quality clamps, good quality hoses. And what's really cool, if you've never gotten anything from Unitronic, is if one of their hoses rips, it's under warranty. So if for some reason this hose fails, you just let them know and their warranty department takes care of it. But like I said, this adapter is really nice, so they don't cheap out on their stuff. That's what I love about. If you've seen their turbo vac exhaust, it's a thing of beauty. You don't even want to put it inside your vehicle. And look at this. I'm not going to take off the other side now. If you want to see the install video for this, that'll be coming up soon. This has got some good weight to it. Some good welds along the sides here. Like I said, beautiful intercooler. Can't wait to install it. Way more hefty than the stock, that's for sure. Put this back in here. Since I know if I leave this out, Mika will probably eat it and I'll have to wait till she poops it out to install it. Hey Mika, does it pass? Do you like it? Do you like it? Last final improvements, couple licks. Hey, Does it pass? Can I install it? Am I allowed to install it? She's looking at that adapter. All right, I think we're gonna leave it there. Thanks again, guys. I will be installing it this weekend, so you should have a video coming up very soon, considering it's Friday right now, so this will probably go up Saturday. Thanks again for watching, and Mika, you wanna sign them out? Can I see your paw? Yeah, can I see it? Thank you for your services. Good day.